YouTube channel, we're here to hurt some feelings, right? Well, actually, I may get my feelings hurt. What are we doing? We're going to battle with that Mustang dyno. We are testing our product we engineer here in-house. We're going to run it on old Black Adam, the 2012 Dodge Cummins, the test unit, right? Well, we've got a manifold on there. It's badass. Nothing wrong with it. That's the industry standard. We're taking that up to 1,000 ruble horsepower. Because you guys let me know 1,000 horsepower ain't shit. Cool story, bro. Well, we got a big turbocharger on there. We're going to 1,000. We're swapping my manifold on there. We're going to answer the question, will it make more power? Will it make less power? You guys get to know, because I'm going to put it up on the TV for you, overlay the graphs, and go, this is how my manifold did, this is how the industry standard did, and then you guys can decide, are we going to build with point-blank performance? Now, let's jump underneath the hood. Let's check out the big GT55. Underneath the hood of Black Adam, we got a big Garrett GT55, 88 millimeters of ball bearing turbocharger, ready to beat up on the 12 Cummins. Pretty much what I'm telling you guys is we had enough fuel to this thing, the rods could come out and go see Jesus. So let's avoid that. Now, would this be the best turbocharger to go take out and go stoplight to stoplight? No, this is where forced induction comes in. The guys over there knew I was testing my T6 manifold. They said, hey, while you're testing that thing, slap our turbocharger. That's the baddest son of a bitch out. Let's show the people what they want. You've never seen this before. I've never seen it. It's still in a box. Stick around to the end of the video. Now, the industry standard leading manifold is on, and it's up for round one. It's dyno time. And it just wanted to keep going. Woo! That was me being a bitch. It ain't done yet. Now that was 45, that was 44.50. Now we got a little braveness. We gotta keep going. That was 4,500 RPMs, and look at the graph. 904 and still going. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I knew there was going to be a limiter up there, but it just kept rocking. That was definitely, yeah, you can tell the coolant picked up on that. Now she's got it chilled, but like it's going to want to run through that one. That right there was a 100 horsepower gain, just all in 100 RPM. So I went 100 RPMs more, same file, picked up 113, and it maxed it all out. So that same file, we got to keep going, but I got to get that limiter out of the top of it to let me go. I need 5,000 RPMs right now on deck. I've been bitching about this. 88 millimeter life, 5,000 RPMs. My God. Well, the screen started flashing. I was like, It started flashing. I was like, no, it's got it. Like, it's got it. We won't be able to, any of the recording is nothing but how did that sound? Just coming off the Mustang dyno, making over 1,000 brute horsepower. That's our starting point to what? Showing what a GT55 can do? No, showing you guys what our T6 Exhaust Manifold can do. We're not changing shit on the truck. We're bolting our product on. We're doing another dyno run on it. Are we going to make more power down low? Are we going to make more power up top? The internet says manifolds, you can't make them make any more power. All of them are the same. It's time to put up or shut up, right? Before we put this product on the truck, we've got a small problem on our hands. Maybe you do. You do a big turbocharger, big single, or a big compound system, what happens? You have to lose the passenger side battery. And when you do that, you have a problem on your hands. Well, here at Point Blank Performance, we've engineered a solution, a bolt-on system to get that second battery on your build. We got a 5th gen Dodge Cummins getting a big set of compound turbos. What's that mean? We're gonna lose a passenger side battery. We refer to this frame as a cargo frame. See this big hole in the floor? Well, the cargo box is now gone, but we got a solution to the problem. That's where we put our battery at. Now, if you don't have a cargo frame without that hole in the floor, no big deal, still bolt in, battery bracket. Now, let's lift this truck up and check out the fitment that actually truly makes this a bolt-in solution to your problem. Underneath the truck on the driver's side, we've got our CNC tapered plate. 2 J legs, they bolt through the frame, no drilling required. So if you own a 4th or 5th gen, you're rocking the compound series turbocharger, had to lose that passenger side battery, now you've got a bracket. You can race with us at pointblankperformance.com. We've got a solution. Speaking of solutions, let's go to the Mustang dyno. We're testing our T6 Exhaust Manifold. It's dyno time.
Don't kill me.
Yeah, it get a little wild. I got the fire extinguisher over there.
Nice.
All that. Are you good, Phil? Just got to see us make our first run on our T6 Exhaust Manifold. Right off the gate, we lost 60 horsepower. What are we chasing? We're chasing 1,016 rear wheel horsepower. On the other manifold, we're hitting at 1,450 US. What's that mean? I'm not going to change any fueling. I'm doing a legit run. We're taking the best of 3 runs. So we made like 1,016 on the other manifold, 998, 996. I come out the gate making 950 something real horsepower. Why did that happen? On 1,016, I ran it to 4,600. The dyno calculated it stopped making power at 4,500. My manifold on the truck isn't making that at 4,500. No, it's losing power, but the power still goes. That means it's out there somewhere in the clouds and I've got to reach it. So I'm lengthening the RPM window. Give you the run of best 3 on this truck so you guys can dissect it and see what you think. The fueling stays the same. If you're a 5th gen owner, got you guys some new gears. Now it's back to the action. It's dyno time. was a 101, baby. That was 1001. That was beautiful. Yeah, mother. Yeah. Yeah. Throw load that bitch and let her eat. 1025. Yeah. My God. That was a 10-second pull, boys. Mother. That was an animal. That was a fucking pull. Woo! Mother. Just coming off the Mustang dyno, guys, we are wrapping up this T6 Exhaust Manifold. Does it make more power? If you put our product on your truck, apples for apples, the same day, will it make more power? Because the internet says, no, it will not. Okay, we wanted a mountain to climb. What am I getting at? We went at 1,450 US. That's how much fuel we're giving those big injectors. 40 degrees of timing. I want this truck to make big power, so therefore, when we make a product, we've actually got some competition to climb. So, that other manifold made 1,016 brutal horsepower, the best of 3 runs. We gave it a fighting chance. I want to give you guys legit numbers. It did great, and I would run this manifold. Nothing wrong with it. It did it at 4,500 RPMs. Damn right, that's scary as there, guys. And then we slap on our manifold and we do the best of 3 runs. Now, to answer the question, does it make a difference? Can you make more power? Or the internet's always right, because they're testing them every day. So we ended up making, on our manifold, 1,025 brutal horsepower. So just 10 horsepower more, right? But we actually accomplished one thing. We figured out there is a specific manifold porting to make that turbocharger make power, and it changes the window of opportunity to make that power. We made it at 4,600, so we could run it longer. Yeah, ours was a little bit lazier down low. That's the truth about it. But the best of 3, no bullshit, 1,025 versus 1,016. This is wrapped up as far as apples to apples, same fuel. What's the thing make? Now, since we have that T6 exhaust manifold, 1,000 horsepower ain't shit. 1,100 horsepower, that's got a nice ring to it. We told you about the forced induction charger, but while this thing's on there, let's see if we can go to the next level, learn more about our manifold, give it to you guys. So make for sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time at the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel.